Hi guys, this is Anu from Tech Acid. In today's video, we are going to see the review of Apexel 5-in-1 lens kit. I've been using this the last 3-4 months for my mobile photography. Out of these 5 lenses, I'm a big fan of 3 lenses. So we are going to see those 3 lenses in a detailed review. Without further ado, let's move into the video. The Apexel 5-in-1 lens combo pack contains a user manual, a cleaning cloth, 5 special type of lenses, 1 carry pouch, and the lens covers. The best of all the lenses is the macro lens, and I really love it, and this is the first time I'm using a macro lens. The purpose of macro lens is that it can take clear photos of small objects, and the magnification is supported up to 15x. The minimum object distance is 10 to 15 mm. So the maximum diameter of the lens is 20 mm and length is 6 mm. The second best lens among this group is the 2x telescope or telephoto lens, which gives you 2x zoom. The maximum diameter of the lens is 20 mm and the length is 11 mm. Using this telephoto lens, it is quite easy to get the blur effect or the bokeh effect. I have used this lens to take a lot of videos for my channel, so this is one of my favorite. The next lens is the fisheye lens, and this gives you a 198 degree of the scene that can be captured by the fisheye lens. The angle is 180 to 198 degree with a magnification of 0.28x. The maximum diameter is 25 mm and the length is 15 mm. For a beginner, this package will be very useful, and people who are experienced can ignore this set of package, and there are much better options available with the Apexel lens. So friends, thanks for watching my video, and in the next video I'll be showing the review of Apexel 60x hyper zoom telescopic lens, and so let's meet in the next video. Until then, it's Anup signing off. Thank you.